We're with training dog Harper, and she apparently has issues with the vacuum. So we shall see. Let's go, place. Good place. And I'm just going to step on the end of the leash. Good place. Turn the vacuum on for a second. Harper, place. Good place. Harper, place. So Harper doesn't like the vacuum, so we're going to socialize Harper to the vacuum. This is training dog Harper, and yesterday she was afraid to stay on place with the vacuum. So now she's on place. Good place, Harper. So I'm going to remind her what she's in, and then I'm going to slowly turn the vacuum cleaner on and see how she does today. Good place. Good place. Good place.